Should I buy or sell Apple? The report for Apple was first published on our website Wednesday, November 16, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since November 10, 2022, our system ranks Apple as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.804. In this period the stock has had a gain of 1.41%. This is an average return of 0.28% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Apple, our last headline reads, Apple stock upgraded to buy candidate. The Apple stock price fell by -1.32% on the last day, Wednesday, November 16, 2022, from $150.66 to $148.67. During the last trading day the stock fluctuated 1.75% from a day low at $147.29 to a day high of $149.87. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 2.51% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by -23 million shares and in total, 49 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $7.25 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $182.94, and the lowest price was $129.04. Right now the price is 18.73%, or $34.27, below 52-week high and 34.87%, or $79.59, below all-time high August 30, 2018 where the price hit $228.26. The stock lies the upper part of a wide and falling trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at $150.79 will firstly indicate a slower falling rate, but may be the first sign of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -13.92% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -23% and -12.70%. The 12-month trend indicates a -13.82% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -31.19% and -2.79%. This equals a price between $102.30 and $144.52 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Tuesday, November 8, 2022, Morgan Stanley set price target to 175. On Tuesday, November 8, 2022, UBS set price target to 180. On Monday, November 7, 2022, Barclays set price target to 144. On Monday, November 7, 2022, BofA Securities set price target to 154. On Friday, October 28, 2022, Wedbush set price target to 200. From analysts, Apple stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been found for Apple. The Apple stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $145.59 and $144.48. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, November 9, 2022, and so far it has risen 10.21%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell together with the price during the last trading day, and this reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 6 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 14 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 2 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 13 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 35 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $142.48, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $2.58 between high and low, or 1.75%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 3.24%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Apple. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Apple currently has a price-earning ratio of 24.15. This is a relatively normal price-to-earnings ratio and often seen in business with long track record or predictable revenues. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Apple meets first resistance at $149.84. If you do not hold Apple shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Apple finds first level of support at $142.48, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Apple is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On October 28, 2022, Mr. Luca made an inside sell of 7,200 of common stock. On October 28, 2022, Mr. Luca made an inside sell of 69,678 of common stock. On October 28, 2022, Mr. Luca made an inside sell of 85,147 of common stock. On October 28, 2022, Mr. Luca made an inside sell of 14,274 of common stock. On October 17, 2022, O'Brien Dardre made an inside sell of 8,053 of common stock. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -19.382. In total, the insiders bought 2,703,146 and sold 4,080,785 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $142.84, minus 3.92%. This stock has medium daily movements, and this gives medium risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 5 days ago. Is Apple stock a buy? Several short-term signals are positive. Despite the stock being in a falling trend, we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for stock to perform well in the short term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Thursday 17th, we expect Apple to open down $0.0604 and start trading at $148.61. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to